Before you make a decision on whether to buy the Finance iPhone mobile app, there are 12 essential things you should know. Stick around until the end, as we'll also compare it to other apps and help you make the best choice for your financial needs. First off, this app is known for its user-friendly interface, making it a great choice for both beginners and advanced users. Unlike some competitors that can be overwhelming or cluttered, this app's simple design means you can get started without feeling lost. Next, the app offers real-time financial tracking. With automatic updates, it pulls your transaction data directly from your bank accounts and credit cards, giving you a clear picture of your spending habits. This feature sets it apart from others that only allow manual entries or delayed updates. The third thing to note is its categorization system. It automatically groups your expenses into categories like food, transportation, and entertainment. This saves you time compared to apps that require you to tag transactions manually or don't categorize them at all. Now let's talk about budgeting. The Finance iPhone app gives you the ability to set monthly budgets for each category. It then tracks your progress and provides notifications when you're close to reaching your limit. This is more intuitive than some competitors, which might only show your expenses without helping you stay on track. Next thing, this app supports multiple accounts. Whether you have personal, business, or joint accounts, it lets you manage them all in one place. Some other apps require you to switch between different accounts or offer limited support for multiple account types. The sixth thing is its security features. The app uses advanced encryption to protect your financial data, which is crucial given the sensitive nature of the information it handles. While many apps offer basic security, this one goes the extra mile to ensure your data stays safe. Moving on, the app offers detailed reports, giving you a clear view of your financial health. It generates monthly reports and offers insights into where you could save. Other apps may offer reports, but they tend to be more generic and less detailed. The eighth thing you should know is that it has a robust sync feature. Whether you're using the app on your phone, tablet, or computer, your data will always be synced seamlessly. This is especially useful compared to apps that struggle with syncing across devices. Next, it offers financial goals. You can set goals for saving money, paying off debt, or investing, and the app helps you track your progress. This feature is often missing in other apps, which focus solely on tracking expenses without helping you plan for the future. The 10th thing to consider is its support for investment tracking. If you have stocks, bonds, or other investments, the app allows you to track their performance. Many apps focus on budgeting and ignore investments, making this a standout feature. The 11th thing is the app's premium features. For a subscription, you get access to additional features like advanced reporting and more customizable categories. While some competitors have expensive paid tiers with limited features, this app offers good value for what you get. The 12th and final thing to mention is customer support. The app provides quick and efficient support, either through live chat or email, to help you troubleshoot any issues. Some apps have slow or unhelpful support, making this a significant advantage. So, is the Finance iPhone mobile app a good choice for your finances? It offers a lot of features and functionality, and if you're looking for an app that tracks spending, sets budgets, and helps you save, it's definitely a solid option. But if you're looking for something even more comprehensive, with additional features and easier integration, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.